Hello everyone.
Today we're fixing the ear pads on the PlayStation 5 Pulse 3D headset. I bet some of you have had the ear pad covering peel off with use just like me. Don't worry though, there's an easy fix and we'll cover it in this video. First, we'll need to take apart the headset, starting with the ear pad area. For this, we'll need some thin tools to slip into the narrow groove, like what you see here. Lastly, we'll need some contact adhesive. If you use a different glue, make sure it's not corrosive or you might damage the fabric. Let's start by removing the ear cup from the headset's main frame. Although it seems this piece won't budge and might break if pulled, don't worry. If we gently pry through the slot with a thin tool, the piece will eventually come loose and detach without issue. Just be very careful throughout the process. As you can see, the piece has 4 anchor points, so it's fully removable. Next, we'll finish peeling off the outer fabric to re-glue it from scratch, avoiding future issues with old adhesive residue. To do this, we'll remove any stuck areas and clean the entire surface to remove old glue, preparing it for the new adhesive. Thanks for watching the video. Subtitles by Amara.org community. Now that the area is clear, we start applying glue to the plastic piece. For this, we've used a brush to spread the glue evenly and avoid clumps. While the glued area dries, we'll add extra glue to the fabrics inside for consistency and to prevent issues. Once everything's glued, we'll wait a few minutes for it to dry so the contact adhesive works properly. When the contact adhesive is dry, we start folding the fabric inward as it was originally. To position it well, use the marks from the previous placement to guide where to fold for the best result. This should be done carefully, slowly, and with precision. We need to fold and glue all the fabric gradually. Once the fabric is back in place, we wait a few minutes for it to fully adhere. Now we can put the headset back in its position. Note one side is thicker than the other for correct placement, with 4 anchors that need to align. Once positioned, simply press down until you hear a click. At that point, we're finished. As you can see, the result is very satisfactory. Some areas look perfect, while others have small wrinkles and aren't as firm. This is normal as we did it by hand, not with a factory machine. But rest assured, this doesn't affect its use, and the overall look is great. So guys, we've repaired the Pulse 3D's outer skin quickly, easily, and cheaply. As you can see, the before and after shows a satisfactory repair. Well, that's all for now. I hope this has been helpful to you. If so, don't forget to like and subscribe to not miss anything. That's all from me. As always, it's been a pleasure. See you in the next video.